ZF41 Zielfernrohr 41, a German low-powered long eye relief rifle scope of World War II. The ZF41 is a telescopic rifle sight used by the German Army during the World War II. It has low magnification of 1.5 power and long eye relief compared to the usual rifle telescopes. The nomenclature ZF41 was for the combination with the German standard military rifle, the Karabiner 98K. It was used in all branches of the German army, including the Waffen-SS. And was the most utilized rifle scope of the German army during the World War II. At the beginning, the scope was not intended to be used as a genuine sniper rifle. Its role was to be deployed in an ordinary infantry unit and used for the target, which was hard to sight in the naked eye during close combat. Thus, it was distributed accordingly to the infantry troops. However, when the German army confronted the threat from the snipers of the Soviet Red Army in the Eastern Front, they had to use the ZF41 as the counterpart, since it was the rifle scope that was most available and then had realized its inferiority as a sniper rifle scope for precise shooting. Therefore, it is said that the production was ceased in the end of 1943, and that its usage as a sniper rifle was halted in the latter part of 1944.